What is up, guys? Back with another video today, and today I'm going to show you a pretty interesting one. So as you can see right now, I use a custom cursor in Windows. As you see right here, here's my custom cursor pack. I got it from the PCWizKid website some time ago, and I've been using it for like years. So what I want to show you guys today is if we go to sign out, as you can see, my cursor right now is the default Windows cursor. And when I sign in, it will switch back to my custom cursor. So what I want to show you is how to actually change that cursor on the login screen. So go ahead and hold the Windows key and press R. Type regedit, regedit, give it permission. Now once you're in the registry editor, you're going to go to HKey users. There's one that says .default, control panel, and cursors. And these are the cursors that are used at the login screen. Some you want to keep in mind when you're modifying these is some of these will end in ANI, other ones will end in CUR depending on if they're animated or not. The CUR ones are not. I'm going ahead and open the directory that these cursors are stored in. So I will go to C, Windows, Cursors. You can see all my alpha cursors down here. Some of them I renamed from what they were originally called. The default arrow is just called arrow. So I'm going to rename this to alpha-arrow.cur because that is what this one is called. I'm going to change the I-beam, and if one of these is left blank, you could just go into another one and copy this path right here. That is an easy way to populate this, and then we could just rename this to whatever our file is called. So now that we have changed those, this is an immediate change, so we can go ahead and close that. Close our cursors folder because we're done with that as well. And we are going to go ahead and sign out. And as you can see, here is our custom cursor right at our login screen. We get the custom I-beam and any other custom cursors that we put in here. So as always, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.